How to promote Redbubble products on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote your Redbubble product on Facebook. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what we need to do is we need to create a Redbubble account, and once we have that we can move on. And for those of you who don't know what Redbubble is, it's basically a print on demand website where you just simply have to upload your design and then just Redbubble do everything for you. So basically you just upload a design and then Redbubble will create shirts, it will create caps, it will create phone cases, stickers, whatever you need. It will create them for you and you won't even have to do anything. You just have to sit back, relax, and Redbubble do everything for you, like promoting the product, selling the product, shipping the product, manufacturing the product, making the product itself, like everything. You don't have to do all of those things. You just have to sit back, relax, and let Redbubble do it. You just have to make the design, and once you've made the design you can just upload it. So I've already created an account, and the account creation process is very simple. You just have to go over here and just create an account, and once you've created an account, just simply click on your profile image over here and you will see sell your art. So just simply click on sell your art, and then you will have to create a product, set up a shop, and get paid. Right, so simply click on add a design over here and just simply click on add new work, and it's gonna open up this part of the website. So over here just simply enter in your work. So I've already created this small little NFT sample that I created, so I'm gonna be using that as my artwork. So I'm gonna upload this one right here. So I'm gonna be using this one. It looks really nice in my opinion, so let's go ahead and do that. So for here, just for the title, just enter in the title of the sticker. I'll just say crypto punk, budget punk actually. And over here you can add in your tags. So NFTs, we will have crypto punks and just crypto in general, and one more, and then we should do be good, and I'll just say cute. Yeah, then over here I'll just say like it's a crypto NFT fan edition, and then down below you will see all of the products preview. So you have your shirts, you have your caps, you have your tank tops, you have your dress, stickers, magnets, mouse pads, all of these things that you want. You can even disable them as well and edit them as well. So for example, if I wanted to print on a shirt, I click on edit so that I can edit it. So I want my design to be over here. I don't want it to be in the center. I want it to be over here. So I just put it over there. Boom, that's it. And I can even scale the image up and down as well. So it all depends on you. So I'm just simply going to put it over here, really at the corner, and I can select the color of the shirt as well. So yeah, I think gray looks really nice, and I can print it in front and back as well. And then we just simply click on apply changes, and boom, there we go. This is our product. Same goes with all of the other products as well. You can go ahead and print them and change them as well. It's really different. So I wanted a sticker, I wanted a phone case, I want a cap, a shirt, wanted a pillowcase. No, I think that would be weird. Maybe a mouse pad would look good. I don't think it would look good on a mini skirt, but sure. And then over on mugs as well, and on travel mugs. So let me just go ahead and edit that real quick. So I don't want that. Yeah, I would like that as well. So I'll just go ahead and apply that in the center. Yeah. And a notebook and a hardcover journal and a clock. It all depends on you. Yeah. Everything looks good now. Once you have all of your selected products, just simply scroll down at the bottom, and over here you will see media. So you have to select up to 2. So I'm going to select this design and illustrations, and then digital artwork. And then is this mature content? No. Anyone can publicly view it. I agree to the terms and services and click on save work. Wait for a couple of seconds for the process to be completed and your work to be uploaded and designs templates to be created. All right, so once you've completed that process, this is how it's going to look like. So you have your images over here, you have your shirts, you have your stickers, phone cases, you have your postcards, mugs, everything. So it's really, really nice. And once you've done that, what you're going to do next is you're going to come over here onto this website called all hashtags, and what we're here to do is we're here to generate some hashtags. So over here just enter in your word. So for me it's NFTs, right? So I'm just simply going to enter in NFTs. I'm click on generate and then wait for a couple of seconds, and then all of the best ones are gonna be popped up over here. Then we will have similar keywords as well. So it's only one NFT, so I really would like to have more. I'd say crypto punks, and just simply click on generate, wait for a couple of seconds. and I'm gonna enter in Redbubble. Okay, let's try Redbubble as well. Then we will have a bunch of different ones. So we will have 21 hashtags ready to go. So next thing what we can do is just copy these hashtags. So remember guys, these are 21 of the best hashtags. These are all gonna help us to, get more impressions on our post. Then what we want is to go back to the website and just share our product. So let's just say we want to share this. We just simply click on share button over here, and we have share on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, on Pinterest. Want to share on Facebook, we click over here, log into our Facebook account. So next thing, as you can see, once you've signed in, just enter in your post. All right, so this post is going to be shown over here, and your feed on your story, it's all everything. So currently page could not be shown. I don't know, understand why, but that's how it is. After that, you just simply, choose where you want to post it, and just simply click on post on Facebook, and boom, that's basically it. That's how you do it. That's how you create your products, and that's how you share your products on Facebook as well. So remember guys, this tip, right? This hashtag type of tip. Remember this tip. This is going to be a very important tip, because this is going to allow you to get more impressions. All right. And the similar thing, like you can go ahead and promote this product on Twitter, on Tumblr, on Pinterest as well. The exact same process. Doesn't really matter. It's the exact same process, and you can copy these hashtags and promote them as well. So that is it guys, that's how you do it. So next thing what you can do is, after you've done that, all you have to do is only you can view this purchase. I can then complete your payment details to open your shop. Next thing what you can do is you can go over here and complete your shop, so that your product goes live and so that you can get paid. So just enter in your first name, your last name, your email address. All right, and just confirm your email address. Right, they're going to send a confirmation email, just confirm that, and then add in your address and your postal address, and then the currency, all right, the payment currency that you want, and then just agree to the terms and services and click on save changes, and that's it. You're basically done. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill this out, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And basically once you choose your payment currency, they basically ask you like deposit it whether into your verified PayPal account or your direct bank deposit. So over here, just enter in your routing number, your account number, account holding, then just simply click on save changes, and boom, you're done. So after that, what you are gonna do is you're just simply done. You don't have to do anything else. That's basically it. So after that, just sit back, relax, and promote your products onto different social media applications, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy the income. So that is how you basically upload your design onto Redbubble. You create a product, you promote it on other social media applications as well. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. And if you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. Because if you do that, not only will you be helping us out, but you'll also be getting daily alerts of whenever we upload our videos. We upload daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. So just make sure to hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified, and you'll be able to consume your daily dose of tech videos and other gadgets and other tools that can help you run or scale your business. So having said that, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.